hope you are all doing super amazing out there, and it has been a while since I posted my last video, and I hope that you're here and you're healthy and you're doing well in your life as well. I'm well here, I'm doing well, I'm super healthy here, and I'm so thankful to our living God. And I was like, I've been purchasing since I did my last video here, and I was like, oh my God, Riley, you have to share these things today because you have time. And sorry guys, if you are new here and you don't know my backstory. I didn't go to school, so my pronunciation can be really difficult, so sorry for that. And I have said earlier I will do the unbox of this shopping bag that you see here on the side. Since I am in love with this brand, I wear this bag since the unboxing that day. I said I'm going to wear it now today. Guys, I've been wearing this bag every single day since I purchased this, or since I unboxed it, let me say it like that. I've got so many compliments at work, on street, on the tram, on the shops. Like, I was wearing this and this beautiful dress from Mango. Actually, I got this is a new dress from Mango. This is in coral orange. They have currently two colors. I have white and I have this orange, and it's a bag free, you can see it, and it's really maxi. It's really long, and if you're short, I don't think this is your dress because it's really long. And the price is like to give you for free. At the moment, the dress cost 45 Swiss francs. Like, come on guys, 45.95. You can buy like 10 of them. And it's very simple dress. It doesn't have pocket, it doesn't have liner, and it's 100% cotton. And guys, this bag is everything. It's super beautiful, it's unique. You don't see it on the street with many people like Louis V ones that I have, but this one, I love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, since I'm in love with this bag, I had to get the other collections, and I think once I will purchase the last one, that will be my last. I am hoping that will be my last purchase at Longchamp at the moment, maybe of this season. So let me grab the bag. As you can see, this is a massive shopping bag, Longchamp Paris. And guys, one piece is missing. They didn't have it in the store, and I was like, order it for me. So they're ordering, it will come in. So I will, once it's here, I will go and pick it up, because I said I want to pick it up at the boutique. So I will pick it up and I will come and share with you guys, because now I believe not really complete summer bag, but I believe I'm almost there to complete my beach summer bags. Anyway, sorry. So it's a huge, as I said, and I got myself 2 pieces. Oh God, guys, I can't believe I'm doing this. I cannot believe that I went crazy under a month about the brand. Like, so I am that crazy like that. And for those who know me, and if you've been here in this channel for a long time, you know, if something comes in different color, the same thing, like this dress, it's orange and white, I get both. I don't just choose one, I get both, and I have problem for that, but it's controllable. Anyway, moving on. Are you guys ready for this? And it is because it's affordable. If this bag could be extremely expensive, I couldn't purchase even one of these. Maybe one, maybe two, maybe three, I don't know. Let's say it's affordable affordable, really affordable, and the material and the manufacture of this bag, it's amazing. So guys, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Upside down, yes, I know. Oh my god, oh my god, let me do some few things down here because the bag was upside down. So this is the bag that I got recently, like under a month. I went crazy on this brand, which is okay because I don't think after that, the last one color, I will not go there anymore because I'm done, like I'm done. Anyway, this is the reason why I got this bag. It's very understatement bag. I love it. It's not shouting a brand, but if you know, you know. Okay, if you know, you know. If you don't know, you will not know until you ask that person where is the bag from. So I got myself small Pliage or Lipiana something. I will put the name on the screen. So I got myself in black color. Look at this color, it's so beautiful, guys. Look at this. And it's so simple. It's just one horse with the one a guy on top. So this is the logo of the brand, and at the back, nothing. I love the bag because it comes with a shoulder strap, but the shoulder strap is not adjustable. It's just one way. You cannot make it shorter or even longer, but it's a good length to wear a crossbody and a shoulder way. So this is the shoulder strap, sorry, and in gold hardware. And I love this gold hardware because they are more quality than Louis Vuitton gold hardware. If you have Louis Vuitton, you know what I mean. Sometimes even on my last Alma Bibi that I lost, the strap was having different gold, and the hook where you hook your strap, it was a different gold. So I love this brand because their gold on the long strap is the same gold on the D-ring, here, and it's the same gold on this button, and from the outside and from the inside it's the same gold. There's nothing like light gold and yellow light gold. It's the same. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the same, and that's why I love it. So the long strap is it can, you know, turn around. It's not fixed on one place, and it has this shape of the D, which is so beautiful. Love it, love it. This horse here, it's embroidered in black thread. So beautiful. Love this bag, and many things can fit in here. For example, my phone. I'm using my phone, but this is the phone case, and my round coin purse from Louis Vuitton. This is a long time purchase, guys. Vaseline, keyhole, moment no, the same. My key clay, which I use it as my small wallet. Comb to comb my hair, and this lotion from Lancome. My work key. So this is much can fit in here, and you see how adorable is that once it has things inside. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Love it, and I cannot wait to style it. It's so beautiful, guys. Love, 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 love. So moving on, the same bag. Are you guys ready for the next color? Are you ready? Yes. Yes, guys, I went crazy. Yes. So I got it in white color, and yes, so yes, I got it in white color. I am in love with this bag. So the one that I'm waiting for, it's the same canvas, brown hose and brown leather, which is classic like this one here. So I'm waiting for that to come. They ordered it yesterday. Maybe it will take 2 to 3 days working time, yes. And once I will have it, I will do the unboxing of that bag. So guys, I got this one in white, in black, and that brown. Now I will completely my beach bag at the moment, because I still want Louis in black. The one that I have in brown, I want it in black, and also I want it in white, and I want it in brown. Yes, I know it sounds crazy, but once I got those colors, and maybe I will buy one more from Yves Saint Laurent, and then I'm done with the beach bags. So I didn't say the price of the bag. The bag, it's going currently 225 Swiss francs, and the color ones like fuchsia pink and green and fuchsia green and fuchsia green as well, those, they are currently on the sale market. I think it's 30% off, so it's 157 Swiss francs. And I don't know if I like those colors, but I'm in love with the classic. But these classic ones at the moment, they are not on sale. Maybe they will be on sale eventually, I don't know, but at the moment they're not on sale. So I got it in white, as I said, as you can see, and voila, this is the bag. The long strap, as I said, is not adjustable, just one length, and gold hardware, and that shape of the D here. Et voila. So I am super happy to get this bag. It doesn't come inside with any pockets, so it's a plain white canvas inside, and then you can see the horse, beautiful white embroidered there, and I can say it's perfect done, guys. Can you resist? If you see these colors, you can't resist. Tell me, how can you resist when you see these colors? So these sandals, these bags, they have made me to purchase Hermes sandals in black, in white for sure, and in brown. Those colors are classic, and I never get them for some reason. I don't know why, but now since I have these bags, they will force me to, you know, to buy those sandals. So this is the strap on the bag. This is how it looks like. You can wear crossbody, shoulder, and I can show you how I'm going to wear these bags on the side clip here or here, maybe here, because I have big space on that side. So yeah, those are my unboxing and sharing with you guys what I got. And please do not forget to subscribe to subscribe, like, share, hit that notification button so that you don't miss out any of my videos. And at the moment, let me talk about the video of the my wish list of this year. So bye.